Good morning, India. We are looking at the Nifty pre-open analysis for 1st of February 2023, and today seems to be a great day for the bulls. It seems like US markets have actually risen 1% and higher in yesterday's session. Yesterday's session has been great for US markets, 1.4% up for S&P 500. Nasdaq was up by 1.5%. Dow Jones was up by 1%. So are the Asian markets, 0.35% up for Nikkei, and SGX Nifty is showing great up move, 114 points higher, and this is a great news for Indian markets. Indian markets have actually been stuck, shows negativity all over, and it seems to be having a good time as of now because of US markets. US markets have actually showed the path for Indian markets to go to the north, and yesterday also we went north. However, we closed as a hanging man. Hanging man, when it occurs in a uptrend, is a great sign of depreciation or going down. That is a downtrend. However, as of now, the uptrend is not at all there. This hanging man does not actually show that the market is going to fall down as of now. However, it may be sign, it may be, it's in double quotes, may be sign that this is a continuation of the downtrend which is still there. This hanging man which occurred in yesterday's session. That being said, let us see where are the supports and resistances for 1st of February 2023. Nifty resistances are at 17,778 levels, 17,859, 17,884 and 17,952 levels. And where are the Nifty supports? Nifty supports are at 17,650, 17,553 and 17,516. There are the supports of Nifty on 1st Feb 2023. That being said, US markets have been greatly positive and SGX Nifty is greatly positive. Nifty futures has been on a downside in yesterday's session, and now it seems like this 5-minute chart will go upwards. This is a 5 minutes chart of Nifty futures for February. This shows that it may go up and it may expand the length of the Bollinger Band on the positive side. That is the Nifty analysis. So according to SGX Nifty and the US markets, Nifty is going to open gap up in today's session. That's the great news for the bulls. And that being said, I'll show you a great strategy which makes you 78.6% accurate returns on a daily basis. I'll see you in this video where I will show you the great strategy and the proofs that it works. See you in that video.